Whether you're an experienced athlete or someone just planning to get in shape, Clever Fox Fitness Journal is the workout tracker for you. Research shows that keeping a workout journal makes you more consistent with your training and therefore helps you stick to a steady exercise routine. To ensure you have the most optimal results in reaching your fitness goals, we work together with fitness experts to create the ultimate workout journal. This journal is A5 sized, measuring 5.8 inches wide and 8.3 inches long, making it compact and lightweight. It is built to last and survive heavy everyday usage. It has a strong spiral-bound construction, perfect for easy use during workouts. And the journal's pages are made from thick, high-quality 120 GSM paper that doesn't bleed. To begin this journal, you must first fill in the My Starting Point page. Take your before photo and measurements and leave the after sections blank for now. You will be able to fill them in later and compare your results once you've reached your goals. Next, you can write down up to 10 health and fitness goals you'd like to work on while using the planner, their deadlines, why you want them, and what your reward will be for reaching them. Take your time to think through your goals and be sure they are realistic and reachable. Progress Tracker allows you to consistently and thoroughly track your performance over 28 weeks. With 4 pages of progress trackers, the journal gives you plenty of room to record anything from your deadlift reps to your waist measurements. We have also included a 6-month calendar where you can mark your workouts and workout-related events. Working together with fitness experts, we have created the daily pages that include everything you may need when tracking your workout. Write down how long your workout lasted and which muscle group you are targeting. Track up to 12 exercises, 6 sets each, and write down the number of reps and weight used each set. Fill in the cardio table, specifying what your cardio of choice was, the time, the distance, and calories burned. Write down your notes and remarks and complete the workout satisfaction survey so that you can return to and assess this workout later. Clever Fox Fitness Journal includes not only fitness trackers, but also a table for you to write down your favorite foods' nutrition facts. That way, you will be able to estimate your food allowances and be on track with your goals at any time. This fitness journal will be your best workout buddy, keep you motivated, and give you the push you may need. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.